Very good morning. Today we are discussing about parallel resonance. Consider RLC circuit in which resistor, inductor and capacitors are connected in parallel to each other. This parallel combination is supplied by voltage supply in parallel resonance circuit. The voltage across each element remains the same and the current gets divided in each component depending upon the impedance of each component. The total current is drawn from the supply is equal to the vector sum of the resistive, inductive and capacitive current. In this parallel combination, in general manner, current different, voltage same. Here in AC circuit, three elements are connected in parallel: resistance, inductance and capacitance. Consider coil of inductance L and low resistance are shunted across the pure capacitor. Here the combination of inductance and capacitive combinations. Here the vector diagram, and previously we will discuss about series resonance circuit. It's based on that voltage. In this circuit, parallel combinations only based on that current. Here the resistance based voltage and current are in phase, and also the inductance means lagging current. Here mention the lagging current. Capacitance means leading current. A variable frequency is applied across a circuit at particular frequency. The reactive component of the line current becomes zero. This frequency is called the resonance frequency. When total current is in phase with the supply voltage, parallel resonance is said to occur. This is true only if reactive component of inductive branch is equal to the capacitive branch current. Q factor. At resonance, the current in the branches of parallel circuit can be many times greater than the supply current. The factor of magnification in parallel circuit is called Q factor. It is called as the current magnification. Q factor, current magnification is equal to current in the inductive or capacitive branch divided by current in supply at resonance. Q factor is equal to IC divided by I. Here IC is equal to V divided by XC. That is 1 by XC. V is equal to 2 pi FC omega C. I is equal to V divided by Z0. That means V divided by Z is equal to L divided by CR. Is equal to VCR divided by L. Here Q factor IC divided by I is equal to Q factor omega CV divided by VCR divided by L, omega L divided by R. Here, so frequency, oscillated frequency, oscillation of frequency 1 by 2 pi root LC. Q factor is equal to 2 pi L divided by omega 1 by 2 pi root LC into R. Here, then frequency Q factor is equal to 1 by R into L by root of L by C. Here 1 by R into root L into root L, that is equal to L. R into root L by C. Here the L root L cancel. Here Q factor is equal to 1 by R root of L by C. Condition for parallel resonance: reactive component of inductive branches is equal to the capacitive branch current. Resonance frequency at resonance, IC is equal to IL sin phi. We know that IC is equal to V divided by XC. IL is equal to V divided by ZL. Here sin phi is equal to XL divided by ZL. V divided by XC is equal to V into V divided by ZL into XL divided by ZL. XL into XC is equal to ZL squared. Here 2 pi FR, that means resonance frequency, inductive reactance is equal to 2 pi FR into capacitive reactance 1 by 2 pi FR C is equal to Z squared L. Here L by C is equal to Z L squared is equal to Z is equal to L by C. Then Z means R squared plus XL squared L by C. Here R squared is equal to XL means inductive reactance means 2 pi FL whole squared L by C. Here 2 pi FL square is equal to LC L divided by C minus R squared. Here 2 pi r is equal to L by C minus R squared. Here 2 pi f r squared is equal to 1 by LC minus R squared divided by L squared. 2 pi f r is equal to root of L 1 by L by C minus R squared divided by L squared. Here frequency is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of 1 by LC minus R squared divided by L squared. The effective resistance of the RLC parallel circuit at resonance is called the dynamic impedance or dynamic resistance. At resonance, IL is equal to resonance frequency is equal to IL cos phi. Here that means resistance. We know that IR is equal to V divided by ZT. Here IL is equal to V divided by ZL. Then cos phi is equal to R divided by ZL. V divided by T, that means the total impedance, is equal to V divided by ZL, V divided by and R divided by ZL. 1 by ZR is equal to R by ZL squared. Here 1 by ZR is equal to 1 by LC. Here ZR is equal to L divided by CR. The dynamic impedance or dynamic resistance ZR is equal to L by CR. The entire circuit behaves a non-reactive resistor of L by CR ohms under the resistance. The quantity L by CR ohm often is called dynamic impedance of dynamic resistance. Graphical representation here frequency and current, line current versus frequency curve. A parallel resonance in the line current is minimum and they given by IR is equal to Z divided by V divided by ZR. Here ZR is equal to L divided by CR. The smallest current only needs supply resistance losses in the circuit. Then characteristics of parallel resonance, current with frequency and admittance with frequency. Properties of parallel resonance. At resonance, the net reactance is 0. At resonance, the impedance is maximum. At resonance, the current is minimum. At resonance, the power factor of the circuit is unity. It magnifies the circuit. The line current is in phase with voltage. Comparison of series parallel resonance circuit. Criterion of comparison series circuit and parallel circuit. Impedance at resonance, series means minimum, parallel means maximum. Current at resonance, series means maximum, parallel means minimum. The effective impedance resonance at resonance, series means R, then parallel means L by CR. Then resonance frequency in series circuit 1 by 2 pi root LC and parallel circuit 1 by 2 pi root of 1 by LC minus R squared divided by L squared. It magnifies, series means voltage, parallel means current. Power factor at resonance, that means unity power factor, here also unity power factor, it will be varied from 0.8 to up to 1 value in parallel combination. Then Q factor omega L divided by R and also in parallel circuit omega L divided by R. Other name is a series combination, it is a accepted circuit, then parallel combination is a rejected circuit. Next one problem. A coil of 12 ohm and inductance of 0.12 Henry is connected parallel with a 60 microfarad capacitor at a 100 volt variable frequency supply. Calculate the frequency at which the circuit will act as a non-inductive resistor, the value of dynamic impedance resonance, and connection is equal to parallel circuit, resistance R is equal to 12 ohm, then inductance 0.12 Henry and capacitance 60 microfarad. Resonance frequency, dynamic resistance. Then resonance frequency Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of 1 by LC minus R squared divided by L squared. Then is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of 1 by 0.12 into 60 into 10 to the power of minus 6 minus 12 squared divided by 0.12 squared. Here is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of value 1 by 2 pi into 359. The resonance frequency 57.16 Hertz. The dynamic resistance R naught L by CR is equal to 0.12 divided by 60 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 12. The dynamic resistance equal to 167 ohm. Answer: resonance frequency 57.16 Hz, dynamic resistance 167 ohm. Next one problem. An inductive circuit of resistance 2 ohm and a inductance of 0.01 Henry is connected at a 250 volt 50 Hz supply. What capacitance placed in parallel will produce a resonance? Find the total current taken from the supply and the current in each branch circuit. Connection: parallel circuit, resistance 2 ohm, inductance 0.01 Henry, and voltage 250 volt, frequency 50 Hz. Then capacitance and total current and branch current. To find the value, first we have to calculate the resonance frequency. F bar is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of 1 by LC minus R squared divided by L squared. 50 is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of 1 by 0.01 into C minus 2 squared divided by 0.01 squared. 50 is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of 1 by 0.01 into C minus 4000. That is 50 into 2 pi whole square is equal to 1 by 0.01 into C, 40,000. Then 98,596 plus 40,000 is equal to 1 divided by 0.01 into C. Here C is equal to 1 divided by 0.01 into 13,800 and 1,38,596. That is capacitance equal to 721 microfarad. Dynamic resistance formula: L by CR is equal to 0.01 inductance and C value 721 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 2. And dynamic resistance value 6.93 ohm. Total current I is equal to V divided by RD. That means dynamic resistance 250 volt divided by 6.93, 36 amps. Branch current, and then inductive reactance XL is equal to 2 pi FL, 2 into 3.14 into 50 into 0.01. That is XL is equal to 3.14 ohm. Capacitive reactance XC is equal to 1 by 2 pi FC. That is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 50 into 721 into 10 to the power minus 6. X is equal to 4.42 ohm. Current through coil is equal to V divided by Z. Z is equal to root of R squared plus XL squared. Here the impedance value 2 squared plus 3.14 is equal to 3.72 ohm. Current through the coil in general manner in AC circuit I is equal to V divided by Z, and 250 volt divided by 3.72. It is the current value 67.2 amps. Current through the capacitor is equal to V divided by XC, 250 divided by 4.42. It is equal to 56.56 amps. Answer: capacitance 721 microfarad, total current 36 amps. Then current through the coil 67.2 amps. Current through the capacitor 56.56 amps. Thank you.